Up guys, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. In this video I'm just going to tell you that the Snake Game project is finally out, so which means that it's shared on my Scratch profile, so you can go check it out, links in description. And if you want to learn how to make the Snake Game, you can go, and I put the videos from 1 to 7 all in the description box below, so you can go watch those and learn how to make this Snake Game. So I'll be creating a brand new series right after this, and I won't be starting it now, but the series will be like a tower defense game on Scratch. So, but anyways, that's all for this video. So I will see you guys in the next Scratch tutorial. Peace out.